Here we have a motor which is wiper motor. You can see this is from the vehicles, but this one is 24 volt. As this is Chinese, you can see, and we cannot read it, but from the vehicle it had been come. That vehicle was having 24 volt system, double battery system, and this motor had been burnt. You can see here this winding. This is the armature, and this is 12 slot armature, and this 12 slot segments commutator you can see over here. And this is a very straightforward winding, and this is in clockwise direction, and they have connected over here these segments. So the winding procedure I will cover in some other video when we will do it. The winding wire used here is 26 SWG standard wire gauge, whereas it has 42 tons. But now we are going to convert it to 12 volt because we have 12 volt system. The solar system for us is 12 volt, so we will convert it to 12 volt. So for the 12 volt, what we will do is this one is the old wire which had been come from this armature. You can see. So this wire size is 26 SWG, and we will change this wire to the thicker gauge, which is 23 SWG. 23 standard wire gauge number we will change, and we will also reduce the coil count number of turns. We will reduce to 21 because we are going from 42. We are reducing the voltage half, so 42, the half of the 42 is 21. So with a 23 SWG gauge we will wind 21 turns here on this. But as you can see here, this winding design is some way, one coil is here and the other coil is over here, but this is machine winding, so we will convert it to the hand winding. So it will go like this, it will go some way like this, and one coil upside will come. So this is the machine winding. So machine winding we will not make, but we will convert it to the hand winding, and the performance will be the same as the machine winding is. Here I am going to demonstrate a little bit more in front of you how it is doing, how it is behaving. This is the wiring harness you can see, which is going to the car wiper system, wiper switch, and this one is all the time battery plus all the time, and one is ground, which is of course this green one, and then these are from the switch, from the ignition power key switch is coming through the wiper switch. The power is coming by these two wires. So how they are performing is, there is another switch inside over here. You can see this is a you can see a mechanical switch which is making the direction in the way that actually this red is also connected over here, the positive all the times. So if we will switch off the wiper in some midway, so then the power is coming through this wire, and that is making the wiper down to the down position. So that's the desired thing. And there is another thing. You can see there are three brushes. These are the actual main brushes, and this one is for the slow speed. These are the fast speed, and this is the slow. So while we will apply power here and here, the plus and minus we will provide over here, so the motor will run in slow rotation, and while we will provide the power from here to here, means positive and negative we will provide over here, so the motor will run in fast. So this is required while there is slow raining, so we are using these two brushes, and while there is fast raining, we are giving power to these two brushes. So this is done by these wires. This is the way. And here is the permanent magnets you can see inside, and there is a magnet, there is a bearing downside. You can see if the bearing is going bad, we can replace that, but that is fixed, and there is some way we can replace it. Actually we will pull it upside, and then we will have to replace it, but it is not going bad normally because this is non-drive hand side bearing, and here is the drive hand side bearing inside this mechanism. There is a gear mechanism actually inside, so that gear mechanism is reducing the turns, the rotation. It is reducing down because in the wiper we don't need such a fast rotation, and the motor is very, very much fast. You can see this is the worm gear which is fixed, which is to be fixed over here inside this, and then there is a mechanism, and there is a big gear over here, and also that big gear rotates the switch inside as I explained. So hope friends, you people have got some knowledge from this video because I explained so many things in front of you. This is a modification video. We will make modification on this one. And so the people who are going to modify such motors, this video will be helpful for them. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, make a big thumbs up and also subscribe my channel and then click on the bell icon so then you will get my notifications on each upload. Thank you for watching.